Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Well, very fast-moving upper jet. You can see these clouds racing, kind of dropping to the southeast a little bit. So this is a little cooler air that's come in, a little troughiness here. So the cooler air is coming in here. But this very fast-moving jet that kind of ridges upward into Canada and then drops towards New England, that pattern is going to kind of lock in. So it means there may be a few passing little cold fronts that pass through here over the next few weeks here and there. But by and large, this is a very warm, dry weather pattern because when the winds are this strong, the jet's so far to the north, you're not getting very many storm systems here. And all the moisture is going to be tied up down here in the Gulf of Mexico. It's not going to be coming northward. And two disturbances to watch. This one may head for Texas, Louisiana, maybe Mississippi. The other one a little farther to the east. And this could impact perhaps Alabama, Florida area here over the next 1.5, 2 weeks, where any one of these could develop into a tropical storm or a hurricane. That bears very close watching. There is your cool morning for tomorrow. We're low to mid 40s for low temperatures over the area, followed by a 68 to 75 afternoon. Lots of sunshine, some thin cirrus clouds during the morning, and mid-level clouds that gives us a beautiful sunrise, that is, but then it becomes kind of sunny in the afternoon. Upper 60s in the southeast to around 70 to the low and mid 70s as you go northwestward. Now Thursday is a 76 to 81 day, lots of sun, a little patchy fog in the morning, not quite as cool early, but a nice warm afternoon. 80 or 81 in the west, whereas it'll be about 76 to 79 elsewhere in the area. So there's that long stretch. Great for the harvest ahead, great for getting fall tillage done, any fall field work done, but it will raise the fire risk. We're going to lose a lot of soil moisture. So if you're sowing wheat, winter wheat here for any of our farmers out there, the soil conditions will be rather dry until we get some decent soaking rain in here late October and into November. It may take that long to find another round of good soaking rain to get in here because we've got a long stretch of dryness ahead. There's your high and mid clouds with the beautiful sunrise in the morning. There are those sunny skies in the afternoon. For tomorrow, Thursday morning, patchy fog, a few patches of low clouds, and then it's just completely sunny during the afternoon. And it stays that way for a while. Now, again, we've got a little cold front that'll swing by here Friday, just a hair cooler Saturday. And then there'll be another little cold front about right here that goes through later Sunday, but they don't have moisture. All the moisture's down here from whatever's developing from these two little disturbances, a couple tropical systems that we'll have to watch. And there's your just roaring upper jet up here. So when the jet's that far to the north, you know here it's warm and it's dry. So it locks in for a while. We get a lot of days where it's going to be well above normal or at least above normal. But every now and then you get a little dry cold front that comes through. And one of those little dry cold fronts comes through later Friday, where we dropped to 47 Saturday morning. It's just a hair cooler on Saturday. We're pushing 80 Sunday, and yet here's one of those little random dry fronts that just clip us from Michigan and Ontario. So we dropped to 46 on Monday night, but we're back to 78 on Tuesday, and then we're in the 80s Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, in fact, well into the 80s down the road.